Yeah, you got. I never throw big spell.
My friend's gonna kill me, but that's okay. Just barbecuing with somebody outside.
I was a big fan. They're all staring at me as I walked away. Hey, how's it going? It's going good. Yeah.
I'm good. I wish I was able to see a show at Disney, but obviously I couldn't go.
That's okay. This will be way better.
Well, no, if I went, I would have been in trouble.
Oh, okay.
I would have lost something.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Today's my birthday.
I remember that sign. Oh wait, did you make this now?
I just made this now, yeah. Yeah, Josh said the same thing.
Someone had this at Philly, but it didn't say the same thing.
Well, today's my birthday, so...
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I'll have to look for you from the stage. If I see you, I'll bring you up, but I can't promise.
I'm not in the pit. I'm in a...
Oh, okay.
So I can't sing?
It's really hard because, see that big guy right there?
Yes, I do.
He has to go right down to the barricade and grab whoever it is. So it's usually pretty tough if you're not down there, but I'll still look for you. I just
Alright, I'm up in the top up there.
Okay. It's hard for me when I promise people because then I'll realize that I forgot later or something, and then I feel like crap and I beat myself up about it.
Can I have a hug?
Sure. Have fun tonight.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, you want to sign this?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Awesome.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for coming.
Thank you.
How are you doing?